Hi guys, thanks for joining me on my channel. Today I'll be doing a better late than never unboxing of the AirPods Pro. Please stay tuned. Hi guys, and thank you for joining me on another video. So AirPods Pro, these have now been available for purchase for over 7 months. The reason why I'm only purchasing them now is because I went for a cheaper alternative that I found on Amazon because of the fear of losing one of the pods was quite high for me. So I decided to try a cheaper alternative, which was a waste of money because the audio quality was really bad. So as you can see, I'm here fighting with the box to break them free. Don't know why Apple strapped them down to the cardboard like that. It's like impossible to open. So I finally managed to break them free. These currently retail for £249 on Apple website. Yes, I know they are quite dear, but you have to try them. As you can probably tell, my attempt to make the unboxing as satisfying as possible was a complete fail. So here I'm just going through the documentation that comes in the box. There seems to be a running theme with Apple not providing any stickers in any of their accessories, which I believe is very harsh considering their accessories are quite expensive. Also in the box you will get a lightning USB-C cable along with silicone ear tips that come in 3 sizes. That's small, medium and large. The medium pair are already attached to the AirPods. Also, the case has a wireless charging function, which is great. So here I've unwrapped the AirPods and I'm trying to show you guys where it's been engraved, and once again I'm completely missing the camera, so here's a closer look. Highlights of the AirPod Pros are they come with active noise cancellation, they have a transparency mode, they are sweat and water resistant, they have an amazing sound quality with adaptive EQ, they are easy to set up on any Apple device, and also come with a quick charging feature in its case. In short, Apple state that AirPod Pros have been designed to deliver active noise cancellation for immersive sound transparency mode so you can hear your surroundings, and a customizable fit for all-day comfort. Incredibly light, noise-cancelling headphones, AirPod Pros block out your environment so you can focus on what you're listening to. You can switch to transparency mode, and AirPod Pros let the outside sounds in, allowing you to hear and connect to your surroundings. So unfortunately, I'm unable to give you a sound test to show off the quality of these AirPod Pros just because it's not physically feasible, but take it from me, they are really good quality, and once you activate your noise cancellation mode, it is second to none. And also the transparency mode really does help if you still need to keep an ear out as to what's happening around you. So here I've just picked up one of my old iPhones, which I no longer use, and just to quickly demonstrate how quick it is to sync to your phone. Setup is super quick. All you have to do is open up the AirPods case and it registers on your phone. Follow the on-screen instructions and you're ready to go. So here are a few images with the AirPods on. There's also an option to do a fit test to see which tips would fit your ear best. So I would encourage you to take the fit test. Thank you for joining me on yet another video. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments box below. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. And remember to share, because sharing's caring. Also, I would just like to take a moment to say Black Lives Matter. And if you can't stand for this, then you'll fall for anything. Guys, the children are the future. Let's leave them a better world to live in. So I'm now wrapping up my All Things Apple series part 1, but stay tuned, Apple will be back. But if you're interested in nails, please click the notification bell.